Okay, everyone. Welcome back to Initial Speed. We're at Initial Speed headquarters. And I figured it'd be really good to do an update. So that's what we're doing. We have pretty much all our cars here. So I thought it'd be a great idea, once again, to do an update. So we're just gonna kind of go through it together and tell you our plans for this year. We got Phil here, so. Hello. So yeah, let's get through it. Let's do it. All right, what car, Phil, are we gonna start with? Where do you want to start with first?
The IS.
All right, okay, so we're starting with the IS. Everybody, this is my 2005 IS 300. Currently it's just lowered. It's got a full TRD kit, except for the rear, and the plans for it this year are I'm gonna go wide body. So the plan is to go wide body with the car. Actually, it's sitting in my the parts are sitting in my SUV, so let's check that out. I'll be doing a more detailed look, but as you can see, all the parts are in the truck. They are from, yeah, they're from Duraflex.
Sick.
So we got the front fenders. I think they're like either 30 or 40 mil wider. We got the rear wide body. I believe those are either
skirts.
30 or 40. We got the side skirts, and we have a front bumper.
Yeah, this is gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be pretty nuts. Hopefully we can get it. We did, I did purchase some wrap. I'm not gonna tell you the color. I kind of alluded to it when we were at the car show. But that's kind of like the quick plans for it. This kit will be for sale, so if anybody wants it, it'll probably be on Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace. The next car, I guess, on the list. Oh, one last thing. I think the eventual goal for the IS, this is my goal. This is my plan. I want to be able to turbo it, and I want to add a manual to it as well. So it's pretty bone stock, but we'll get it there. I'm pretty sure we can get it there.
One step at a time.
One step at a time.
Make it manual, add the turbo, and
wide body.
Boogie, yeah, wide body, and then go boogie on the track.
Yep. It'd be really cool to start sliding this thing around, so hopefully we can get there as well. Actually, we'll get there. Just take a little bit of time and a little bit of this, but we'll get there. Next car. What's the next car?
I don't know. Which one do you want to do next?
Which car do you want to do?
We'll do this one. We're out here.
Before we do that, the Evo is making a comeback as well. It's back at home. I don't know if you know, I purchased a G37X. I'm currently selling that. There were plans to build that car as well, but
kind of have too many things going on.
Yeah, it's too many. We have too many cars. We kind of have to like focus our like what we want to do. So my main focus, or our main focus, are the Evo, the IS. You're gonna see in a second his A4 and the Beetle. Those are the, how many cars is that? 4?
That's 4.
4 cars that we're gonna be trying to take care of. So
every car guy's dream to have a problem where you have too many cars, right? We even have another one that you guys have no idea about, but you'll see that at a later date.
Yeah. All right, so we are looking at the return of the A4 Phil, just give us a quick update of like, where's it been all this time?
So I've wanted more power out of this thing for a minute. I've owned it since '08. Been collecting parts, then that money, or collecting money, saving money, then the money had to go to the wedding, and then started saving again, and then you know, life happens, so things happen. Spent that, and then I started saving. Instead of saving the money, I would just buy parts. So I've been saving parts for a minute. I went to pull the engine, and my back was not having it because I had pulled it a few years ago. So I sent it off to a shop to get the engine tickled. So the engine is fully built, and we'll get into the details of that another time, another video.
Can we get a little quick peek?
Sure.
Cool. So this will just be a quick peek. He'll go into more detail of the car and what parts he added, but just a quick look.
In another video, we'll get into details.
I'll just show. Look at the turbo. Sweet. You're pumped, right?
Oh yeah, I've wanted this for so long. You'll see in one of the videos of where the car gets dynoed, I actually shed a tear. I'm so excited. It's been long overdue. So
awesome.
Yeah.
All right. And then actually he also has some he has some like interior mods too, like quick release.
I have a whole
steering wheels.
You'll see still to be done. The shift knob needs to go back in. The new wheels need to go on. The new steering wheel, like there's so many little finalized things, if you can say finalized on a project.
Yeah.
I'm
pretty excited about the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Because I haven't done one in a while.
Yeah. Wow.
Maybe when I was like maybe 16 maybe. So it'll be really
a little
cool.
while ago.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for showing us that.
The Beetle?
Yeah, Beetle.
All right.
I'm literally one shy.
One shot. All right. There's the Beetle.
Nice.
My wife's '03 Beetle that I brought back from the dead.
Yeah. So the current plans for this car is we're going to be wrapping it. We already purchased the color. We're not going to really say the color, but we're doing some work on the rockers because the rockers were a little bit wavy after he repaired them. So we're just gonna take care of that to make the car smooth and wrinkle free. From here it looks really good, Phil. Looks really good.
Well, I spent a few days, I didn't record it, but I spent a few days just grinding it. But the problem is today would be great and then tomorrow would rain, so I have to put it back away and then wait for another nice day.
Yeah.
So it took me about a week to do the two rockers because one, I'm not a professional, and two, the weather just wasn't cooperating. It's that time of the year where, you know,
it's just how it goes in
the Great White North.
In Canada, yeah. But so yeah, we're just taking care of the rockers here, and then you're gonna see us wrap it. Is there anything else?
No, I think it's just tidbits on this one, and it's fine.
All right.
Yeah, we hit all four cars.
Yeah. So those are some of the updates. Plus, you know, we're going to be doing the car shows. We're going to try to hit up smaller meets this year, I think. We're going to do a couple of bigger ones.
Smaller car shows, and I think we're going to hit up some meets this year.
Yeah.
Because it's been a minute since we've rolled into a meet. It's been a minute since I've driven the Audi to any meets. So.
Yeah. We're also going to do Drive Fest because Drive Fest that is probably the best show.
Yeah.
If you could get tuner cars on that, like some of the show cars on that, I think the show would be even more like
maybe
crazy.
That's the next step at some point. Maybe they'll see this video and you know, give us credit for the idea.
So those are some of the updates of what we got going on. Yeah, so thanks for watching, And
thanks for watching, and initial speed out.
see you guys.